Be more personal stuff. A little bit of light. It's good. It's good. Whew. Okay, so welcome back to our video. This is your host, your one and only Gyverr. So to be honest, I'm not supposed to make any video for this week because I'm lazy, I'm tired, but I lied to myself, hence that's why there is a video that you are watching right now. So without further ado, let's proceed to the topic. And the topic is, well, you have read in the title, but I want to explain it a little further, is how to pick the right sponsorship for you. Now, if you're thinking that this is a step-by-step guide on how we can know if the sponsorship that we receive in our email addresses is legit or not, then it's not the video for you. On this video, we are already talking about a established business that might lead to a scam. Is that even possible, Gyverr? How it can be a scam if it's already legit? Well, to be honest, it can. And you might want to listen to this story. Story time. Okay, so a few weeks back, I received an email. It came from a Japanese company. And it titled, or the subject of the email is, paid advertisement. And for a small creator like me, I am so excited and happy because it said, paid advertisement, I'm going to be earning money. And I will be working with a Japanese company. And also, if you want to know the difference between a sponsorship and a paid advertisement, make sure to comment that also down in the comment section below so we can talk about it in the next video. So, I read the email, I checked, there's no suspicious links at all. They were able to introduce themselves, and they even provide an alternative contact in case I don't want to reply on their email. So, they provided a line address or a line ID. You haven't heard the Line app. So the Line app is basically the messaging app for Japan. Not really strictly, but it is commonly used over there. KakaoTalk is for Korea and WeChat is for China. But all of those apps are available worldwide. I revived my Line account and added and chatted the person in charge of their marketing and advertisement or PR team. So after a day or two, the manager replied and we talked a little bit about how will be this paid advertisement will work. So basically, they want me to upload their video of their newly launched application and they will be paying me as just like what you're watching on TV, a paid advertisement. And for me, it's like, oh my God, yes, this is the next step to being a big YouTuber, getting this kind of sponsorship. So I said, sure. After a few days of talking, they just suddenly sent me the link to the video that I'll be uploading, which are in complete Japanese narration. So for me, no problem. I just need to upload it. Then this marketing manager or PR manager asked me, wait, are you located right now in Japan? And I said, no, unfortunately, I'm in the Philippines because of the pandemic. She didn't reply. That's alright because we've been spending a lot of days just knowing the terms and conditions for this. Then after a few days, they sent me back a link, a full Japanese text saying that, well, you just need to upload this video and we're going to pay you. Same old, but in a longer sentence. And they also linked their YouTube channel, which I'm very sorry, but I'm not going to disclose the name of the company or the YouTube channel. So yeah, and they asked me again in English if I'm located in Japan. I said no, I'm really located in the Philippines. So I'm thinking about it. I'm planning of how I will be doing the video in my own terms because I just don't want to upload the video and let you guys figure out what it is all about. And then I decided to ask my friend to translate the whole video for me so I can add subtitles, or she can add the subtitles for the video so you guys from the West can understand. Basically, after she watched the video, I asked her, what is the video all about? And she told me that it's an app, it's a sideline app for young people who wants to earn on the side. So basically, what the app does is you register. After you register, you're going to pay a fee or like an entrance fee or membership fee to be able to use the app. And how much the fee is? Well, it's right about 10,000 yen. So that's equivalent to 5,000 pesos here in the Philippines. My friend and I kept talking. It's like, I asked her, do you think this will be big in Japan? And she told me that, nope, and it sounds like a scam. And so that's the first red flag that we encounter. But here is the second red flag. I visit their YouTube channel, I click their website, and as soon as the website load, I landed to a page wherein I am now required to register or just close the window. There's no information at all about the company. There's no like contact information about the company aside from the WeChat that they sent, and that's the second red flag. The third one would be, I asked my friend, can you search the app in your app store, because I'm thinking this might be a geo restriction kind of problem wherein I can't search it since I'm in the Philippines and I'm using a Philippine-based Apple account or Google account. My friend said, nope, it must be an Android. So I tried QApp, still no app. So I'm wondering, where are all the comments saying that it's easy to download, etc. came from on their official YouTube channel? So that's the third red flags. And for a sponsorship to reach 3 red flags, I was like, oh my gosh. And that's what made me decide not to do it. Even though I'm so excited to work with a Japanese company and to be paid for an advertisement in YouTube. So that's the reason of this video. It's a legit company that offers probably a legit opportunity, but might end up with scam. But you're going to ask, hey Gyverr, whatever happens to that company, it's not your concern. You've already been paid. We're happy. Let's go drink. Let's eat something. Yes, that's true. But what I'm thinking is, what if people who've watched my video got enticed and tried the app and spending those kind of money and ended up not getting any or being scammed at all? It's going to reflect to what kind of a content creator I am. And that's why I want you guys who is watching right now to be very careful to the brand deals or sponsorships that you are taking, and make sure that those sponsorships will help you grow, not help you go down. It might destroy your reputation. I know we're just starting out. I know we're just small, but guys, we need to think far. So yeah, that's the story of why a legit sponsorship might lead to a scam. Hey, we're done. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you do, press thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. This is me again, Gyverr, signing off. Bye!